How can you protect your car from sun damage? Have you ever noticed how the sun can fade your favorite shirt or even your skin? Well, the same thing can happen to your car. Protecting your car from sun damage is essential for keeping it looking great and running smoothly. Prolonged exposure to sunlight and heat can cause fading paint, cracked dashboards, and damaged upholstery. As a teenager learning about car care, here are some practical steps to keep your car safe from the sun. First, always try to park in the shade whenever possible. Whether it is under trees, carports, or any shaded area, this simple action can significantly reduce direct sunlight exposure. It helps slow down paint fading and interior damage. Next, consider using sunshades for your windshield. Placing reflective sunshades inside your windshield blocks harmful ultraviolet rays and keeps the interior cooler. This protects your dashboard and seats from cracking and fading. Regular washing and waxing of your car are also important. Washing removes dirt and contaminants that can worsen sun damage. Waxing adds a protective layer to the paint, reflecting ultraviolet rays and preventing fading. Aim to wash your car at least once a month and wax it every 3 months for the best results. Another option is window tinting. Tints reduce the amount of ultraviolet light entering your car, which protects the interior and keeps the cabin cooler. Just make sure to check local laws about how dark the tint can be. Using seat covers made from ultraviolet-resistant materials is a smart move too. These covers protect your seats from sun damage, like fading and cracking, and they are easier to clean and maintain. If you cannot park in the shade, investing in a breathable car cover can be beneficial. A good cover blocks ultraviolet rays and prevents heat buildup, helping to protect the paint and interior surfaces. Leaving your windows slightly open when it is safe to do so allows heat to escape. This reduces interior temperatures and prevents damage from excessive heat buildup. It is also wise to maintain fluid levels and tire pressure. High temperatures can affect engine fluids and tire pressure, so regularly checking and maintaining these helps prevent mechanical issues caused by heat. Lastly, regularly inspect your car's paint and interior for signs of sun damage, like fading or cracks. Minor paint chips can be touched up to prevent further damage, and damaged interiors can be repaired or protected with conditioners. By following these steps, you can keep your car looking good and running well for longer, even under strong sun exposure. Developing these habits early will help you take good care of your vehicle and avoid costly repairs later.